recomiend if you want to do it again.
The central sulcus is right here, which is in the middle. And then the lateral sulcus, this is the right side, it's right here. And then the parietal occipital sulcus, it's a deep fissure between the parietal and the occipital bone, probably back here. And the cingulate gyrus is up here. And again, the longitudinal fissure is this right here. And if you put the others one, well, it's like what separates the brain from right to left. And the transverse cerebral fissure is like right here. It's the bottom of the occipital bone that separates this from the cerebellum. And the choroid plexus is right here, this thing on here. And then the cerebral aqueduct is deep to the brain, so you can't see it. And the septum pellucidum is this whole thing right here. And okay, so the lateral ventricle is right here, and the fourth ventricle is right here. And then the medulla oblongata is down here, and the midbrain is this right here, up here. And then the pons is this right here, and the corpora quadrigemina is this whole thing right here. The superior colliculi is the top portion, and the inferior colliculi is the bottom portion. Okay, so this is the hypothalamus, and then the infundibulum is this white thing right here. And then the intermediate mass of the thalamus is this right here. And the mammillary bodies is over here, right here, number 24. And then the pineal gland is over here. And then the pituitary gland is this dot right here. And the thalamus is right here. And this is the corpus callosum. And this is the fornix, and the internal capsule is over here. And then the arbor vitae is this tree-like thing. And the vermis, is the space between the midline of the cerebellum, so you can't really see it, but it's there. The precentral gyrus is right here. The postcentral gyrus is this one right here. And the septum pellucidum is this right here. And also, okay, so this is the frontal lobe. The insula is deep to the temporal and the parietal bone. And the occipital bone is back, the occipital lobe is back here. Parietal lobe is over here, and the temporal lobe is over here on the side. Okay, so here is the anterior commissure, and the basal ganglia and the basal nuclei are part of the ventricles, which are inside and you can't really see them. And the cerebral cortex, which is the gray matter, is this pink right here, not the white but the pink. And the cerebral hemispheres, I put them together. So this is the right and this is the left over here.